Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the gift card code is at hand and cop it exactly, because one wrong character prevents redemption. Open the Phonepe app and sign in with your verified mobile number so your wallet and linked bank appear. Once done, check the app is updated and your phone has network access. This reduces errors during verification. Make sure your UPI or bank is already linked in Phonepe, so the balance can be applied immediately to payments without extra setup. You navigate to My Money and choose Phonepe Wallet or the deals area where vouchers are redeemed, because different app versions place it differently. Tap Add or Apply Gift Card, then paste the code and tap Redeem. The app validates format and availability. Once you see confirmation, check your wallet balance to confirm the amount. If there are restrictions or an expiry, note them now so you know which merchants or transactions accept that balance and avoid surprises at checkout. You pay by selecting Phonepe Wallet at checkout. If the amount exceeds the voucher, choose Split Payment and pick your linked UPI or card for the remainder. If a payment fails, immediately verify the wallet balance, voucher expiry, and whether the merchant accepts gift balances, because many restrict usage for certain services. If problems persist, restart the app and re-enter the code, or contact Phonepe support with the transaction ID and voucher code ready so they can quickly trace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.